Hola, necesitas sacar el paquete de gramática porque vamos a tomar apuntes. Hoy vamos a tomar apuntes sobre expresiones del tiempo con el verbo hacer. We are going to be using this idea of time expressions with hacer to talk about how long something has been going on. Our verb is going to be in the present tense. We'll be describing an action that began in the past and has been continued into the present. For instance, maybe you started playing soccer when you were 5 years old, but you continued to play soccer up until now when you're in high school. So it started in the past, but it still continues now in the present. We have a formula that we can use. Think of this as almost like a mathematical concept. So here's our formula. It's going to start off with hace plus an expression of time plus the word que plus a verb in the present tense. Let's see an example. I have been studying Spanish for 3 years. That's how we would talk about in English something that started in the past and has continued into the present. In Spanish, we're going to use the formula we just learned. Hace 3 años que estudio español. Here's another example. They have been studying English for 5 years. Hace 5 años que ellos estudian inglés. Now, here's the example that you'll want to write down in your notes. Again, to describe how long something has been going on, you're going to use the following formula. Hace plus period of time plus que plus the present tense. Hace meses que quiero comprar esa pintura, pero todavía no tengo el dinero. So, you decided you wanted to buy a painting months ago, you still want to buy it now, so it's something that started in the past and has continued into the future. I'm going to use the hace with time expression formula. You can also make this negative. To make it a negative expression, all you have to do is add no to the pattern in front of the conjugated verb. So our formula is basically the same, we just add in the word no. For example, hace un año que no estudió español. We also might want to be able to ask another person what length of time an action has been taking place. We have a formula for that as well. We're going to start off our formula with cuánto tiempo, then hace, then que, then a present tense verb. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que estudias español? How long have you been studying Spanish? Here is the example you'll want to write down for your notes. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que quieres comprar esa pintura? Now, we have taken notes up until now to learn how to describe how long something has been going on and how to ask how long something has been going on. Right now, you see how you have all this blank space? I want you to take your own handwritten notes on what we're going to talk about next, which is using time expressions with hacer just in the preterite. Let's learn about that now. So, we can also use this idea of a time expression with hacer to talk about how long ago something happened. Our verb's going to be in the preterite tense. It's going to be describing an action that began in the past and ended in the past. We have a formula for this as well. Hace plus time plus que plus a verb in the preterite tense. I went to the movie theater a week ago. Hace una semana que fui al cine. Here are 2 examples from the book. to describe how long ago something happened. I went to Puerto Rico 2 years ago. Hace 2 años que fui a Puerto Rico. I got dressed 3 hours ago. Hace 3 horas que me vestí. As long as you can remember the formula, this is a pretty simple concept. So, if you have any questions tomorrow on time expressions with hacer, make sure to ask them in class. If not, right now you should go ahead and do the Google quiz.